participated. Colleagues and friends, the challenge of reconnecting was a great one, but it is now behind us. The challenges of preserving, improving, and giving sense to the normalization are still ahead of us. I see 4 elements or areas in this regard. First, the impact of the normalization process is meant to be felt in generations to come. We must actively and constantly demonstrate benefits on regional peace and security, on people-to-people relations, on business opportunities. These are the best arguments for other countries to follow suit. Second, relaunching the peace process is fundamental. Morocco believes that there is no other alternative to a two-state solution with an independent Palestinian state within borders of June 67. Besides, and for His Majesty King Mohammed VI, Chairman of Al-Quds Committee, the status of Jerusalem has to be preserved as a common heritage of humanity, as a symbol of peaceful coexistence of the followers of the 3 monotheistic religions. Morocco has always played a significant, still discreet role in facilitating peace in the past and is ready to pursue this role today. Third, the normalization did not generate only sympathy, it generated animosity as well. Such animosity must be dealt with vigilance and solidarity. For example, and unfortunately, one neighboring country decided to sever its relations with Morocco, pretexting, among other things, the reestablishment of relations with Israel. Fourth, there is a need for a new regional order, where Israel is a stakeholder and no longer an outsider in its own region. This new regional order should not be perceived as against someone, but rather to benefit us all. Also, this new regional order should be based on an updated joint assessment of threats, but also on how to generate opportunities that favor stability and development for all. Colleagues and friends, today we are showing to the whole region and the world that brave actions must be taken by all of us in order to push the envelope a bit further for greater good. Again, thank you, my friend Tony, for convening this important meeting, and stay assured of Morocco's unwavering and continuous commitment to doing what it takes to contribute genuinely to regional peace and stability. I thank you.